All right, class. Happy Thursday, um, April 23rd. Today we are going to be moving into our next unit, and it's going to be all about geometry, and specifically just for today, learning about right angles and how to identify them. So I'm going to first start here writing down right angles. And a right angle is formed with two rays that measures 90 degrees. 90 degrees meaning that's how a protractor would measure that angle. We'll learn about protractors in a couple of days and how to use them. But for right now, a 90-degree angle is going to um, be classified or identified as a right angle. So next up, I'm going to show you what a ray looks like, because that's the other word that we need to really know. We're talking about angles here. And a ray is an endpoint. Here's our endpoint. Endpoint and then a line that goes on forever. All right. So the right angle is formed with two rays. So I only have one ray here. I'm going to make another ray and go the other direction. I'm going to move this over just a little bit so that our endpoints meet up. And you'll notice that the angle that it forms, the angle is right here. I put a box around it because this box is going to be showing us that it is a right angle. Whenever you see that box, that square, inside of an angle, you know it's going to be measuring 90 degrees, or you can classify it as a right angle. Now, there are a bunch of ways that you can identify these right angles. They are everywhere around your house or outside. You're going to have to look for them. So they're not going to have that square inside that angle for them when you're just looking for them. But edges of notebook paper, edges of tiles in your bathroom or in your kitchen on the floor, most of them form right angles. There are right angles outside in driveways or sidewalks. There are right angles on books, on the edges of books. So usually it's a lot of the edges on things are going to be forming right angles. And you'll notice that they make a perfect L shape. That angle inside there, remember inside, that angle inside there is going to fit perfectly with, let's say, the trick is a piece of notebook paper. If you take a piece of notebook paper and you measure it up to the angle that you're measuring, if that edge of your notebook paper fits perfectly inside of that angle, you know it's a right angle because those two rays are forming 90 degrees. So I hope this helps out about identifying right angles. Remember rays, big definition here. Ray is an endpoint with a line going on forever. Those are rays. They are different than lines. They are different than line segments. So make sure raise and your angles, make sure you're looking for that end point. But today's assignment is just to identify 5 right angles in your house or outside of your house and message me them. You can take pictures of them, or you could tell me where they are and what they are. But that is going to be your assignment for today: is finding 5 right angles in your house. Have a great day.